Hello guys, my name is Shishir and welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to talk about my blog web app which I created in Django. So let's start looking at this project. Okay, before starting the video, be sure to like and subscribe my channel to make sure that you are notified when I create other projects similar to this. And also the GitHub link of this project will be available in the description below. So let's start the video. The main idea of this project is to be able to upload your blogs to the website and make it available for other peoples to see. When a random person opens up the website, the first thing he sees in this screen are three sections: headers, about, and the blog section. Okay, let's see the header section first. In this header section we can see there are links to different pages, and we can manually add pages later on in this header. And after that you can see the about section. You can see about me, and I have provided some short introduction about me, and you can learn more and go to new page from there. And after that comes the blog section, and you can see all the blogs that I posted in this site, and you can click on those blogs to view them. Here you can see the main content of the blog. First the title and its representing image, and also you can see the author and the published date. So as you scroll down we can see the blog contents, and you can also add comments by clicking on the add comment button, and you can provide a name, a comment, and post it. When you click on add comment, you're taken back to the page, and your comment will not be visible right away because we want to prevent from toxic and offensive comments, because we do not have any verification for comments like login, etc. So when you post a comment, it will stay pending and the admin will approve or remove your comment. We'll look about the verification process in about a minute when we talk about the admin section and behind the scenes how the blog is posted and rest of the things are done. Okay, let's see the example of verified comment. Here you can see Rushan Basnet has commented in our video, and the verified comments can be seen like this. And we have created an about page also. In this page we can put introduction about yourself and put your email addresses and GitHub links, social media links, etc. So when a visitor visits you, we can see about you. So see here, I have posted my GitHub account. When you go to the URL /account/login, you are taken to the admin login page where you can log in with your username and password. If your credentials are correct, you are taken to the main page. Now you have taken back to the main page, but you can see there is something different, and in the rightmost corner you can see three new links: new, drafts, and logout. So to add a new blog, you press on new, and you're taken to this page where you can provide the title, image, and text. Here in the title you write the title of your blog. And you can choose the image, but this time I don't have any good image for this. Okay, in this text area you can also post links, images, videos, and you can also open the HTML view, and you can also type in full screen so that it will be easier for your eyes. So after filling up everything, you can post your blog. Posting the blog also requires two steps, as you may want to check how the blog looks before you post it for the viewers. So if you are all satisfied, you can press the publish button to publish it to the normal viewers. So before publishing, let's see where it stays. When you navigate to the drafts from the navbar, you can see all the blogs that are unpublished. So now let's publish this after verifying everything. So if you press edit button, you can also edit the content of the blog and correct the mistakes if you have any. As you can see, the news has been published in the main page. As you can remember, we posted a comment as a normal viewer earlier, so we want to verify it because it does not have any toxic comments. So let's approve it. So after approving, it appears to the normal viewers. So you can remove your comment by clicking remove. So you can see it is gone now. So in conclusion, this was my short project on our blog page. Hope you liked it. As mentioned earlier, all the links will be provided in the description below. If you like this, you can press the like button below and subscribe for further projects like this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.